It's a turtle?
I think it's a duck. He shrugged at duck. So.
But what happened to the butterflies?
Fuck the butterflies, just forget him. He put them all in a ball and said, fuck this.
And apparently there were like M's. Is that a bug?
Okay, it's a dead bug now.
Like this is alive, and now it's dead.
That means it's dead, yeah. Dead duck.
I hate you all.
We should have like started
So
the
bad, I
time
hate you
over.
all.
It's a pancake.
Okay, there's some sort of duck. We've established ducks.
A duck chef.
Sous chef. Sushi.
What is that movie? Oh, Christmas Story, where
It's
they
a
eat
who?
the duck at Christmas time?
Oh yeah!
Christmas
DuckTales.
Story!
DuckTales.
Ducktail?
Fuck you all, I'm not gonna.
Mickey Mouse.
I don't know what you're all doing. Where's my drink at anyway? Where'd it go? Where is it?
That's right
What
here.
the fuck is it?
I didn't drink it though.
You guys sort it out. I give up. Don't look at it.
What is it?
Damn it. Figure it out. You two, figure it
I
out.
want to
Can I tell
see.
you?
Just
I
what
want
is
to
it?
see.
It's a
What is
bird watcher.
God damn it.
Bird watcher.
How is it? It's a bird.
Make a goddamn eyeball.
We said bird.
We did.
You said butterfly and like waterfowl. And like, you know, pelican and shit. Just fucking bird. How hard is it?
Caterpillar.
Make a bird, not a butterfly. Shit.
Yeah, that's true. And then you make it like it's like a light bug.
I hate you all.